Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm here with Raffaela Wulff. She is the Channel Partner Manager for R3Solutions. Raffaela, welcome to the studio.
Thank you, Stan.
So we're here to talk about how going wireless can contribute to flexibility in manufacturing. But before we even get into the topic, could you just tell us a little bit about R3Solutions, what you guys do?
Yes, of course. So R3Solutions is a pretty young company, and we're experts in ultra-reliable, low-latency communications. That means we developed a wireless technology that is more reliable and fail-safe so that you can make safety applications wireless, for example. So any safety device can be wireless now. So what we did is we developed our own architecture behind it, wireless architecture. And it has performance beyond Wi-Fi.
Interesting. Okay, so we need to learn more about this. So let's get into it. How does going wireless make operations more flexible? How does it work?
The main thing is you can have mobile applications, but it's not only wireless. We're talking about the ultra reliable, low latency wireless technology. For example, safety applications. In the past, it has not been possible to have safety applications wireless because functional safety needs to be, it needs to work, right? There are people behind, and you don't want to have insurance.
Mitigate risk. You don't want to create any risks.
Right.
Yes.
And with our technology, you can have these possibilities to have, for example, an emergency stop wireless. And this is a huge thing now because operators can walk through the plant, for example, having a stop on every machine with just one, for example, handheld device with an emergency stop, and they don't need to exchange the handheld device, for example. So you are saving time, you are increasing productivity. It's just one example.
That's a great example. Well, let's talk about can you help us understand why are ultra-reliable, low-latency communications beneficial in a manufacturing environment?
As I said, safety applications haven't been wireless before. Think of another example in the entertainment industry, for example. You have these roller coasters. They need to be flexible, and they need to be safe as well. And this is really fundamental. And sometimes cables break. And then in this case, the whole plant stands still. You have these downtimes. No one wants to have downtimes, right? And in this case, you can have either an emergency kit, so just plug in our devices and just make the plant run and search for the mistake or the error, or you implement the devices beforehand, and therefore you don't need to search for the errors. Cables can break. This is the thing behind.
Really compelling examples. And as you've kind of explained how this technology can increase flexibility, increase productivity, support workers in the environment, I'm curious to get your thoughts on, how do you see Rockwell and R3 kind of and the solutions coming together to help manufacturers embrace a wireless future?
Let me ask you something. Do you have a wireless solution in your portfolio that is so reliable? Maybe you have not.
Good question.
So you bring the components, we make them wireless. So I think this is the key here.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Raffaela.
You're very welcome. Thank you for having us here.
Absolutely. And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Rockwell Automation or R3Solutions, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.